Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, June 14, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 26, 2023, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 17.32% since we first recommended buying QQQ 35 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.49% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF has broken the strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $362.75, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $386.81 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 16.61% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 7.93% and 15.6%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 11.79% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -15.12% and 11.59%. This translates to a price range of $310.56 to $408.31 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.727% on the last trading day, Wednesday, June 14, 2023, rising from $363.26 to $365.90. It has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.6% from a day low at $360.43 to a day high of $366.19. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.15% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 13 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 69 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $25.07 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $366.19, and the lowest price was $254.26. Currently, the price is 0.08%, or $0.290, below the 52-week high, and 10.47%, or $42.81, below the all-time high on November 22, 2021, when the price reached $408.71. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $357.28 and $336.70. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 25, 2023, and so far it has risen 18.04%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 61 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 102 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 95 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $306.81 and $305.36. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $306.81. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $305.36 and $298.93. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.76 between high and low, or 1.6%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.38%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $306.81. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $353.75, minus 3.32%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 84, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 35 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, June 15th, we expect QQQ to open down minus $1.73 and start trading at $364.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.